What's up, everyone? Richie here. Gonna take a big risk on this one. We'll call it as we see it here. I'm gonna give the Trooper a shot by Iron Maiden for the acoustic guitar. This is not going to be note for note. This is going to be probably not even close note to note, note for note, but it's just a way of looking at it to do it on the acoustic guitar. So I've taken some liberties. I'm keeping it in the same key as what you know on the album, Peace of Mind. And I'm going to just see how this sounds. I mean, it sounds good in my head. It sounds good when I'm jamming to it. It may be a train wreck. So we'll see how this goes. Only using a handful of chords for the most part. I will walk you through the solo as best as I can for the rhythm pieces to it, for it. But again, for the most part, E minor and E5, depending how you're looking at it, G, D, and C for most of the song. And then getting into the solo, we're going to kind of have a couple different patterns there with some other chords in it. But for the most part, I think it's just a way to play something fun, something different. And I'll show it to you right now. So let's take a look at it. Again, be gentle because I know this is going to upset a lot of people, but maybe a lot of other people will enjoy it too. So the intro, I'm just playing some power chords. E5, D5, C5, and my fingers, my index finger, we're staying in this shape, but only my index finger is moving over to catch that bass note, the B. Right there. So the pinky staying in position there. So E5, D5, C5, catch that B note, back to the C, and a repeat. So we kind of put that all together. Right, so you hear it, okay? It's implied. You can hear again, we're talking about layers of guitar, the bass, everything going on there. We are stripping this down to something, hey, somebody yells it out in a bar and you're doing something solo acoustic and you could pull it off. It could be great, it may not be, but we're giving it a try here. I'm gonna go into the verse now. Taking some liberties with this one as well. The verse, I've got the E5. You can play E minor, but I got the E5, a G, and a D. I think I'm leaving out a chord purposely. I think it goes from D, G, D. I'm only going to play the D once. I just think it's too much going on there for just like an acoustic type of deal, right? So if you know the song. So I think now I'm forgetting the lyrics, of course, all of a sudden, but it comes in on this E. So it's coming in, really, it just kind of, everything comes in and just stops for the most part with the song. For this, I would just hit that E5. So just kind of keep that palm mute going, because if you're playing solo, you got to have something moving at all times for this song. I'm going to the G, D, back to that E5. So I'm going E minor, E5, G, D, back to that E5. We're going to repeat it. We're going to start to repeat it, but we're changing up a chord. G, D to a C add 9. And then repeat the way we did it before. So if we put it all together. 1. So there's your verse, okay? For the most part, so that one difference you hear is going to be the C add 9, or a C. I like the add 9. To the chorus, some more liberties here. I have a D to an E minor. Okay, I think there's a lot more going on if you know the song as far as the guitars, all that other stuff. So what I do is I'm taking the D major, and there's the vocal part where Bruce is going, whoa, and I'm just kind of going from a D, and I'm going D sus4, D major, sus2, just to kind of give it a melody that goes along with the vocals. It's not perfect, but it just kind of, it's implied, and you can kind of hear it. So if I'm going into the chorus. Here it comes. Again. Whoa. And that's all I'm doing there. I'm just trying to have some fun with it. There's nothing else that I'm really doing, and that's like 90% of the song for the most part, I think, right there. So you got your intro, you've got the verse, we've got the chorus. We're going to do the solo real quick. This is how I'm hearing it, and tell me if I'm wrong. Wouldn't be the first time. It's broken up into 2 sections. First section is E minor, D, B minor, C, D. Again, E minor, D, B minor, C, D. I'm going to change it up again to the A minor. A minor, yeah. A minor, G, E, F, G, A minor, G, E minor. When you get to that end of the solo, it goes right back into the that gallop, basically. And keep in mind, you don't have to do this part for the solo at all. It's just there if you want it. So if I was to kind of do the solo somewhat okay. Gonna change now. Free notes, notes free of charge right there. And it goes right back into the gallop, into the last verse, which I guess is the last chorus, and you're done. So when you break it down, it's really a simple song when you break it down to its basic elements, but there's a lot more going on because it's Iron Maiden when you have everybody in that band doing something different. So I figured this was a nice way to try something different. You're going to tell me one way or the other if it was worth it or not. I had fun with it. It's a nice one to do. Enjoy it. See you guys on the next video. Later.